In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clone your WhatsApp Android app on your smartphone. So you may want to clone your WhatsApp if you want to have two separate apps on your Android smartphone. Yes, WhatsApp allows you to have or to create several accounts on the same app. However, sometimes maybe you just want to have two apps that are separate on your Android smartphone. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, the process of creating a dual app or cloning your WhatsApp should be the same on any other Android smartphone. So to get started, we have just to go and access settings on our phone. And here is our settings. Now from this, scroll down until you see the option called apps, then tap on it to open. Under apps, we have an option called dual apps. So go ahead and tap on it. And then this will open all the apps that you have on your smartphone. And under it, you can see we have WhatsApp. And as you can see, it is not created. We don't have a clone version of this WhatsApp here. So this is what we want to go ahead and create. If you can't find here on the list, just go ahead, scroll down on this list until you find your WhatsApp and then tap on it. Now, if you tap on it, we have an option to toggle on to create a dual version of the same WhatsApp. So I'll go ahead and toggle this on. And immediately we are told that by creating this dual app, it will require that it works with Google services, and this is okay. So go ahead and turn this on, and the creation is on and it has finished. It is successful. Great. Now when we go back, we should be able to find two WhatsApp applications on this Android smartphone. So let me go back and check for that. So I'll go back, and now let me now scroll and find my apps, and look at that, has my account running, which is here. And then now here I have another new WhatsApp that I can go ahead and set a separate account. So if I open this, you can see this is a dual app now, and I can go ahead and set up my WhatsApp account by just following these simple steps. And there is no difference between this and the other WhatsApp. So you can go ahead and set up a new account here, and that's how you'll end up with two WhatsApp applications on your Android smartphone. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.